Last year, I made a video on how to pay for Facebook ads in Nigeria, but recently, a lot of payment options have been added to the billing option on our Facebook Ads Manager, of which I would like to share it with you guys because this has made payment on Facebook ads platform becoming more easier and simpler. So, guys, if this is your first time of coming to my channel or you're a returning subscriber, I say you're highly welcome to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification icon so that you always get notified anytime I release new contents like this. So that being said, all I have to do right now is to click on autos and go to billing and payment to show you guys the new options that have been added to the billing and payment on Facebook Ads Manager platform. So we have to wait for this page to actually open. Then we'll click on add funds to proceed to the all new options that have been added. Then I'll show you guys the existing options that we have before. So all you have to do here is to click on add fund. So once you click on add fund and you wait for this window to come up, so you see that recently pay by USSD code and pay by bank transfer have been added. But what we have previously is debit or credit card, which is not working because if you want this to work, you need the dollar card. So the only option that we have been using in the past is Naira payment with MasterCard slash Visa, which is PayU. So that is the option that we have been using previously, but then new features has been added, which is pay by USSD code and pay by bank. New options rather have been added, which is pay by USSD code and pay by bank transfer. So I'm going to show you guys the two method on how to make payment on the two methods. So I will first start with pay by USSD code. So click on pay by USSD code, and I'm click on next here. Then I have to select my bank. So I'm open pay by USSD code, yes. You see, please select your bank and enter your mobile phone number below to generate your personalized pay with USSD code. So all I have to do here is to select my bank by clicking on the drop down menu here. So the bank I use is EcoBank. Almost I use all the banks here, but I'm going to go by EcoBank here. So I'm going to select EcoBank here. Then the next thing is to enter my phone number. But for safety reason, I will have to pause this video to enter my phone number and click on continue because I don't want my phone number to be shown publicly here. So I'll have to pause this video right now to enter my phone number. Hmm. So once I enter my phone number and click on continue, this page will actually come up. So all I have to do here is to dial this code. You see, dial star 326 star 000 star 3943 hash to make payment. So once I dial this particular code on my phone, the next option I have to enter is to enter the amount and then enter my PIN to make the transfer. So once I've made the transfer, it will automatically reflect on my amount here. So let me show you guys. So you see how much I have in the ad account before. I think this ad account has a 0 naira, so I'm going to cancel here. So once I have add the money to it, it's going to reflect here. See where you're seeing current balance 00. So once I add the 2000 naira to it, you see that this 00 will change to 2000 naira. So that is the first method on how to pay using the new option that has been added. So I'll go and show you guys the second option, which is a pay by bank transfer. So all I have to do again is to click on this add fund. So once I click on add fund, then I'll have to enter the amount. So if it is 2000, if it is 20,000, 100,000, any amount that you want to actually fund your ad account with, you can just enter it here. So once you have entered the desired amount that you want to run your advert with, then you come to pay by bank transfer. Then you select the option, click on continue as well. Then you give it time. So I think it's actually taking us to a new window. So now, pay with bank transfer amount 2000 naira. So I will have to pause the video again to enter my phone number for safety reason. Like I said earlier, I'll enter my phone number and click on continue. So let me pause this video right now to enter my phone number and I will continue. So now You see, pay with bank transfer, pay into virtual account to Facebook ad, amount 2000 naira. Virtual account number. You see that a virtual account number has been generated for us, and this is a one-time account number, so you don't have to use it two times because you see a timer here. This virtual account number is valid for, I think it's just 15 minutes. So, and you see the countdown is already counting there. So we have about 14 minutes, 28 seconds left. So all you have to do is to make the bank transfer within this particular time frame that is being given to you. So anything outside of this time frame that is being given to you, if you make payment outside this time frame that is being given to you, it's not going to reflect on your ad account. So take note of that. It is very, very important. So once the account number has been generated for like the bank in which you are to make this transfer to is Paga. So you make this payment to Paga, and within this time given. So once you have made the payment, it's going to reflect on your ad account automatically. So guys, these are the two new options that have been added to the existing options that we have when it comes to making payments on your Facebook Ads Manager platform. So thank you guys for watching this video to the end. Like I said earlier, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Subscribe, share this video, comment if you have any question, and I will answer you as soon as possible. So thank you guys, and I hope to see you in my next tutorial. Have a lovely day, guys.